Hey guys, welcome to the video. Have a real short one for you today. So let's get to it. So, essentially, the video today will be short because it's basically just want to offer a challenge to my subscribers or to any photographer that sees this video. Essentially, that challenge is take one photo, at least one photo, every day for as long as possible. Now, I would say it's easy. It's easy because like it's one photo, but also hard because it's hard to build that. Hard to build that like habit. Also, then again, it's kind of easy because one photo per day, but it's also true that like, everybody has something to do. Like, we're busy, have our lives, we can't just take super long doing one thing. And I will say you're kind of true, but I would say that like you make time for what you like to do. Be that video games, be that drawing, be that whatever thing you're into. If you want to do it, you make time for it. And really, that's the key. And if you take a photo every day, it's kind of like the viewfinder thing. You will get better at taking photos. You will, you just learn better at taking photos. You'll learn more stuff about photography, and you'll learn your camera out better if you do that viewfinder. And generally, you'll get to see stuff you didn't really pay attention to in the past. So, yeah, that is my challenge to you. You have to accept it or not. But hope you guys have a great day, great life. Keep on taking those photos. Keep on being creative.